Have you ever felt stuck in your weight loss journey, like you're running on a treadmill but not getting anywhere? This struggle is more common than you might think. Many of us have been there, feeling like we're pouring our heart and soul into our fitness goals, only to find ourselves running in place. This shared experience is often due to what's known as a weight loss plateau. It's that frustrating phase when, despite your best efforts, the scale refuses to budge. It's like hitting a wall in the middle of a marathon. You're doing everything right, eating well, exercising regularly, yet your body seems to be in stubborn defiance. The reason? Our bodies are incredibly adaptive. They're designed to maintain balance. So, when you start losing weight, your body naturally tries to preserve energy, leading to these plateaus. But worry not, because getting stuck is not the end of your weight loss journey, it's just a part of it. So why do these weight loss plateaus happen? And why are they so common? You see, our bodies are brilliant machines, always striving for equilibrium. When we make changes, such as cutting calories or increasing physical activity, our bodies adapt. This adaptation is known as metabolic adaptation, and it's one of the key factors behind weight loss plateaus. Your body becomes more efficient at using energy, and your metabolism slows down. That's right, your body is doing exactly what it's designed to do. Survive. It senses that you're taking in fewer calories, and it adjusts, aiming to burn fewer calories. Now let's talk about energy balance. This is the relationship between the energy you take in through food and drink and the energy you expend through basic bodily functions and physical activity. When you first start a weight loss journey, you're likely in a state of negative energy balance, burning more energy than you're consuming. However, as you lose weight, your body needs less energy to function. This can lead to a plateau if your caloric intake and expenditure become balanced. Remember, plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss process. They are not a sign of failure, but rather a sign that your body is adapting and doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Understanding the science behind weight loss plateaus can be the key to overcoming them. Now that we know why plateaus happen, how can you overcome them and continue on your weight loss journey? Let's delve into some scientifically backed strategies to help you break through that wall. First up, adjusting your calorie intake. You see, as you lose weight, your body requires fewer calories to maintain its new lighter weight. So, if you've hit a plateau, it may be time to reevaluate and adjust your calorie intake downward. Always remember, it's about eating healthier, not less. Next, let's talk about physical activity. Increasing your exercise or activity levels can help break a weight loss plateau. This doesn't necessarily mean hitting the gym for hours on end. Simple changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or parking further away from the store can make a significant difference. And lastly, managing stress. Stress can play a major role in weight loss plateaus. High stress levels can lead to comfort eating and disrupt your sleep, both of which can hinder weight loss. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, or even just taking a relaxing walk can help manage stress levels. Now here's the kicker. All these strategies are fantastic, but they may not work for everyone. It's a matter of trial and error and patience. Lots of patience. Remember, everybody is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to find what works best for you. To recap, plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss journey, and understanding them can help you overcome them. We've discussed the struggle, we've delved into the science, and we've strategized how to break through. Remember, the journey to weight loss is not always a downward slope. Sometimes it's a flat line that tests our patience and perseverance. Patience is key because your body needs time to adjust. It's not about quick fixes, but sustainable changes. Perseverance is vital because, well, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthier you. It's about pushing through even when the scale isn't budging. And finally, personalization, your body, your journey. No two paths are identical. What works for one may not work for another. So listen to your body, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. So, don't let a plateau derail your weight loss goals. It's just a sign that it's time to switch things up a bit. Keep going and you'll get there.